Alrighty, all right. Happy Friday morning, you guys. Yeah, I even forgot the day and the time. All right. Today's a special one. I know I've read a lot of special emails, but today is a very special email I want to read to you guys. It's it's super special. It did raise my heart level quite a bit, only because I just discovered I have a small fan base 3,000 miles away, over 3,000 miles away in the country of Vietnam. Why is this special to me? It's because I'm Vietnamese myself. Even though I've been here practically all my life, I do stay close to my roots. I speak Vietnamese. I read and write in Vietnamese. And I'm very close to my community. I'm in Southern California, and I go to Orange County quite a bit to eat, and our food is fantastic if you guys haven't had Vietnamese food yet. But that's besides the point. The reason why this video is special is because there's this little small fan base in Vietnam that has been watching my videos, and I just want to read one of the emails. I just want to read one small paragraph for you guys, okay? And I'm going to translate it because the email is in Vietnamese, and he assumed I knew how to read Vietnamese, and lucky for him, I do. So it says, Uncle Bob, thank you for all your videos. I work at a mechanic shop in the city of Ho Chi Minh, which used to be called Saigon before, you know. Okay, he works for a mechanic shop in the city of Ho Chi Minh for Toyotas. And I'm assuming it's for the Toyota Prado that he's working on and not the GX460, right? So your videos help me a lot to fix cars for my customers. I told all my friends here, and now you are famous in my city. I wish your videos were in Vietnamese so I can understand what you are saying. Thank you. So, like I said, that was just one small paragraph. He wrote a pretty extensive email. I'm going to go ahead and pass all that. But he did mention that if I ever did go back to Vietnam, that him and his family would take me out to eat and dinner and have beer, and we'll break bread together, right? And that's how our people are. We are very super nice, welcoming people, okay? So what kind of video am I going to do today? I am going to do something that I've been wanting to do for a while, and it's been on my mind for quite some time, and it's about that black plastic cover that sits on top of your radiator that covers that huge gap behind your grill. That plastic cover, the radiator cover, is held in by these stupid retainer clips by Lexus. These retainer clips right here are so dumb in design, and I know a lot of you can feel my pain because they're almost impossible to remove, and they're almost as hard to install because let's talk about the removal, okay? So if you want to remove this thing, you're going to have to push the button down, right? Push the button down. Once you push the button down, it's not going to come out right away. It's not going to automatically just jump right out at you. You're going to have to pry this out of here. Unless you have sharp fingernails, it's not ever going to come out. You actually have to get something sharp just to dig your fingernails under here just to get it going, just to get it out. Okay? Number two, these retainer clips have 4 legs at the bottom right here. If your retainer clips, if all your retainer clips have 4 legs, then God bless you. You're one of the lucky ones. Half of my retainer clips are missing half the legs because these break very easily. If you take a look at this one right here, it only has 1 leg left. 1 leg does not hold my plastic cover. I can fit it inside the hole. I can push my button down to lock it into place, but this thing is just jiggling and wiggling in there, and eventually it's just going to fall out, and once I hit a speed bump, it's just going to get lost, okay? Another problem with these is, and I have this issue a lot, is when I try to remove them, and if I can't remove them, I will take my hands and I will hold on to the plastic cover, and I will pull up the plastic cover in hopes that this will stay in place when I remove everything out, okay? So when I remove everything out, when I try to bring the plastic cover back up, what this really does is it doesn't stay in place, it jumps out, it does this. It pops out, and now you're looking for 3 or 4 retainer clips somewhere in your engine compartment, and that's why I'm missing 4 or 5 retainer clips. They jump out and they get lost, and that's why I hate the OEM retainer clips. I did find retainer clips that actually work. They work very well, and it comes with a tool. And the reason why this is good is because the whole kit costs 10 bucks, and the tool doesn't just work on retainer clips, it works on a whole lot of other tasks that we are going to attack on the GX460 in the near future. Okay, so let's go ahead and go out to our car and let's get on with it. This video will be in Vietnamese for the Vietnamese community. Let's get at it.
Hi my friend, my name is Phúc Đạt Bit. Today I help you fix the car. My friend, I help you take out the black thing. I help you take out this and 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 this. I help you. You take the finger and you put down and now you take out. Sometimes you want to work faster because your boss make you work faster. You have to push, and then you take the whole thing. You take out. After you take out, you only have 6 left. I buy this online special tool right here for you, make job easier. Look, I show you right now, my friend. You take the new part and you hold it like this and you put in the hole. You push down on the button. Good, number 1. Look how fast I go. Look, so good. Number 1, so fast. Now I want to take out, no problem. You put right here, you take out, whole thing come out with the tool, just like this, number 1. I show you one more time, so easy. Look, take out with the tool, number 1. My friend, I hope you like this video. This and this, only $10 together. Very good, very easy. Number 1.